Okay, for the first type, it's the most basic industrial cooling vest, right?
Yeah.
And actually, it is the most widely type in industrial use.
Yes.
Okay, now let's go for the second type.
And for our deluxe industrial vest, it has uses the multiple Velcro tape design. So it's very easy to adjust it. And also it only has two sizes for you to choose. Very simply, right? And also, as you can see, the color, the logo, we can all customize it as you like.
Yes. Okay, now let's come to the next type is the traffic safety vest. And actually, I think this type is really suitable for outdoor workers. And also, don't forget it, our vest meets ANSI Class 2 standard, right?
And now next type is our flame retardant cooling vest. And this type is we designed as the style of the industrial basic type, right?
Right.
As you can see, the difference is the outer nylon fabric. This one uses the flame retardant nylon outer, different from other style. So I know it is intended for oil and gas industry. It has very good flame retardant features.
And we have prepared the fire testing, videos, flame retardant fire testing videos.
So just ask us for it.
Right.
Yeah.
And next, I think we introduce several types of cooling, industrial cooling accessories, right?
Yeah, industrial cooling accessories.
Yeah. And the first one is our crown cooler, the round and small one. Yeah, you just need to put it into the hard hat, and since there are only two crossed design, the Velcros is really so easy to attach it, right?
Yeah.
And the next type is our neck shade, and since it has 4 Velcros, when you fix it on the hard hat, it can not come out so easily. Yeah, so stably equipped with our hard hat. And for our neck shade, actually we have several designs, like the reflective strip design and the flame retardant fabric design, right? And the next coming accessory is our crown cooler with neck shade. And as for this type of design, we have 2 materials, right?
Yeah.
One is our sandwich fabric.
Another is the PVM material.
In this second, we can't find it now. Can you find it? It doesn't matter.
We only have our models.
Yes, and also it is so easy to attach to the hard hat because it only has two Velcro strips.
Yeah.
Yes, and the coverage is from the top of the head to the whole range of your neck.
Yes.
Okay, and did I forget something?
Actually, no.
No, yeah, except for the PVA type. Okay, now
so I think we can first come to my part.
Yeah, it's your turn.
Actually, as you can see, first I bring you guys the PVA hard hat 6-inch neck shade. As you can see, it has the reflective tapes on the neck shade part, and also it uses the PVA hyper water absorbent liner, so it can provide excellent neck cooling. And also with the mesh fabric, provides extra airflow. And second one is the hard hat bring with the neck shade. So this one can protect our face and our head from the strong sunshine. And also with the breathable material, you can have a very good neck cooling, head cooling. And then we also have 2 multi-purpose skull cap. One is sandwich fabric skull cap that is more comfortable to wear, and because also has the waterproof lining inside. And for our PVA multi-purpose skull cap, this one provides us with much cooler feelings.
And actually, I think it's comfortable too.
Yeah, very comfortable too. And actually, it wouldn't get our hair so wet.
Yeah, just a little bit.
A little bit, yeah. Okay, so.
And the next products that we introduced are the sports
cooling
vests. And our model is ready.
And our model can't wait for the showing.
Yeah, sure.
And actually, the first two types. The first one that is unrated, that is the sports jacket with detachable sleeves. It has three functions in one design, with the neck cooling, body cooling, and also the sleeve cooling. Yeah. And the wider coverage of the body, some protection design. Right? And also, as for the sleeves, it uses the mixed material of mesh fabric and the sandwich fabric together.
Right.
And the delicate, the open zipper cuff. Yeah. So one type for two uses can be jacket and also can be vest. And also, if you don't want detachable sleeves, we also provide you with a sports vest with collar. Two functions in one design. Still very cool, and there is no non-sleeve design.
Right.
Okay.
That's it.
Yes, that's it.
Okay, our model Lily is get ready again, and this time is our fashionable designs of our sports cooling vest. Okay, the first type is the ultra sports vest, and different from other types. Yeah, it has the pull-over design with the scoop neck, right? So I think for some person like me, a little bit lazy,
rock climbing.
Yeah, and likes extreme sports, and maybe this one is much more recommended for you. And what about our next type? Anyway, our next type is the cycling one. Yes, another eye-catching and fashionable one is our cycling vest. Yeah, and to this vest, also it has contrast color designs. Yeah. Right, and actually there are two ways to use it. Do you remember? Yeah,
one is as the evaporative cooling.
Yeah, evaporative.
And another one is as the PCM wearing.
Anyway, just cooling pack design. Yeah. So if you like this pocket design, we can do it to any of our evaporative cooling vests. Yeah, you just need to consult us. Yeah, for this requirement. So what about our last sports cooling vest?
Last one is our Premier PVA cooling vest. This is very practical and also economical type. It uses the high mesh fabric, so it can bring extremely coolness to you. And also we use the specially designed packaging. So can keep our products within wet and also very soft. So we don't have to worry about the shipping damage.
Right.
If you care about the cost and the price, I think this one will be the best for you, especially in the hot summer, like in Shanghai, 40 degrees Celsius.
40 degrees. Oh, it's hell.
Yeah. Okay. Now we will talk about our sports accessories.
Yeah, sports accessories. And the first common type, actually we introduce in total 3 types of neckband, right? And the basic one, with this one we can use it in 2 ways. You can tie it on your forehead or just directly on your neck. Yeah, after soaking it into the water. And the next type is our do you remember? Premium one. Yeah, it has 2 holes on the strap, so you just need to fix it through it from the hole.
Yeah.
Yes.
2 ways to.
Yeah, or if you are lazy just like me, yeah, you don't want to find the holes every time. You just need to tie it in knots. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, so convenient. And our last type of neckband is the PVA type. Yeah, also it can bring you extreme coolness. Yeah, to your forehead or your neck. And also we have different patterns for you to choose. Yeah, you just need to consult us. Yeah. And this is our sandwich fabric, the wrist wrap.
Yes.
Yeah, just
2 functions.
Yeah, 2 functions. One is to protect your wrist from impact, and the second function is to bring the coolness to you. Yeah, apparently.
And actually, for me, I bring 4 types of hat series.
Yes.
So that is intended for sports cooling. The first one is the sandwich fabric sports cap, but different is the outer material. It uses the polyester mesh core material, and the inside it uses the same polymer embedded inner and also the waterproof liner. And actually, this one is very fashionable to wear.
Fashionable?
Yeah. And also in the back, we have the Velcro tape to adjust its size. And also very similar one that uses the PVA material.
PVA.
That is our PVA sports cap. And this one is much welcomed by young men or young boys. Yes. It has a 6 advanced PVA stripes design. And so you can maximize the cooling effect to put it down. And also the sky blue color fits summer sense, you know. So when you put it on, you feel the summer cool. It's heading to you, right?
Right.
Yeah. And also we have a special type intended for women wear in summer. That is also sandwich fabric, but with the outer 100% cotton outer. And also inside, it uses the polymer embedded inner, and also the waterproof liner. And also this one is quite fashionable and quite in-date design for women to wear in summer. And also we have the last type triangle hat. Triangle hat that is very easy to tie.
And I think it's really easy to carry, right?
Yeah, very easy to carry. And it uses the mesh fabric on the top and also the sandwich fabric headgears on the side. So it's quite cool to wear.
So that's all about our products that we mentioned today.